first thing I'm gonna do is put a nice straight 2x4 here on top of the decking, and I'm gonna go to about where I think the stairs are gonna go. And in my case, since they're going wherever I want, I'll just show you an example. Hold this level. We'll just say, to keep it easy, 57. So now I can take 57 and divide it by the riser that I want, 7 inches, and it'll tell me how many risers I'm gonna have. So if I do 57 divided by 7, which is what I want my risers at, I get 8.14. And since I can make up whatever I want for the height, I can actually do this 56 divided by 7, and it'll show me 8 risers. Again, your situation might be different, but this is gonna work for me, and that includes this one right here, because we are measuring from the top of this decking. I'm gonna be using 2x12s for my stair stringers, and this can get a little complicated, but it really is pretty simple. I went into a lot of detail in another video, but this is basically what you would do. So let's say that right here, I want my 7-inch riser. So I hold this frame and square at 7 inches, and then for me, I'm gonna make the tread right here, the actual step, 10 inches, and that's just to the framing. I'm also gonna have an overhang with the decking to about 11.25. So I hold it here, and then I make a mark like this, and then for the next one, I just move this square down here, match up my 10 to this point, and then hold this 7 right here and do another one. And I just do that the whole way. I already did this though. So here's my first stringer. What you'll notice about it is that this is 7 inches, but down here, this is actually 6 inches. And the reason for that is because you have to consider whatever you're using for the treads. So for instance, right here, I'm gonna have decking. So right now it's 7 inches from here to here. And then when I put decking here and here, it will also be 7 inches because it's gonna raise this up. So from here to, we'll say here, that's gonna be 7 inches. But at the bottom, I am not going to have decking down here. This is gonna go right on a concrete pad. So this decking will end up being about 1 inch higher, and then right down to the pad, 7 inches. So you gotta take that into account. And then up here on your last one, you just wanna square this and cut it this way. And then this is going to be attached to the deck. So once you have one of these cut, you can hold this to the edge of the 2x12, making sure that it's even all the way. And then you can use this as a template. It's a good idea to mark this template or template. And once you have it lined up, you can trace this out and you can make as many stringers as you need. You can see right here, I'm stopping, not overcutting these. I'll use a jigsaw to finish this cut.